Welcome to the channel. I'm Stacy and my goal here is to help you to play better and sound better in your worship services. Today we're going to go over the preset for the song Heaven Is Here by the McClures. This one's a pretty clean tone through the intro and the first part of the song, but the way that it breaks up when it gets pushed with overdrive sounds so good. I built this one around the new Super Reverb that came out in the 3.8 update, and I used the matching cab. If you're looking for a clean tone, this is going to be a great amp, and if you want something that has real growl to it, this one's going to serve you for that as well. The HX Stomp signal chain is the deluxe comp, into the kinky boost, into the heir apparent, and we're going into a single amp and then a dual cab, and then the stereo transistor tape delay, the dynamic hall reverb, and the simple EQ to bump that holy mid-range. The Helix preset's very similar with the deluxe comp, going into the kinky boost, into the heir apparent, then we're going into the volume pedal, then we're splitting into 2 amps, each with their own cab, and then that stereo transistor tape delay, dynamic hall reverb, and the simple EQ to bump the holy mid-range. So the snapshots on the HX Stomp are 1, 2, and 3. Then I have the kinky boost set up on foot switch 1, so you can kick that on when we get past the bridge when the dynamics get big. For the Helix, the front row of snapshots are all dialed in. SS1, SS2, SS2 plus boost, and SS3. Snapshot 3 is going to be for swells and for those real ambient rakes we're doing at the beginning of the song. I'll be running through it with the Telecaster, with the Gretsch, and also with the Les Paul. All right, let's hear it. We have several amps to choose from when looking for great clean tones. I try to find a clean tone in every amp I dial in. I even found usable clean sounds on the Bogner Ecstasy and the 5153. Let us know in the comments, what's your go-to amp for clean tones? If you'd like the resources for this song, you can get them in the description box below. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, subscribe and hit that like button for good measure. Along with the resources, there's also a handful of downloads free for you in there as well. All right, I hope you have a great week, and I'll see you in the next one.